for our P disc, we did our launch streak for our P disc here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a P disc that says P on it. And you place it gently. You don't want to touch the auger, so you just like place it gently. Okay, and then you just give it a couple little taps. You don't want to like drive it into the auger. You just kind of want to tap it a little bit to make sure, because you're going to put your plate upside down. You don't want it to fall off. So that's a P disc. And then for our Kirby Bauer, we do the exact same thing. So we're doing an antibiotic disc diffusion. So here's our antibiotic. We'll flip it over, and what you do is you just take the edge of this and you just push it over a little and then pull it out. I got two.
They don't have to know.
Yeah. So then you take the thing, you put them down on the auger. You just tap gently, and there's your Kirby Bauer. And this is what they look like. These away here quick. So this is a Kirby Bauer for E. coli. This is E. coli, and we use phosphomycin for it for an ESBL. It's an extended spectrum beta-lactamase producer. This is another drug that we test for that's not in our usual panel. This is a Kirby Bauer for Haemophilus influenzae.
Can you move it away from the other plates?
Yeah. As you can see, we use several different antibiotics, and then what we do is we use a caliper. We use a caliper and we measure the zone of inhibition. Do you see the zone?
Yeah, put it down on the table.
If I do it like that, is that easier?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. So then you measure the zone of inhibition. And it looks like 27 there. And that's what it says, 27. Then you have a P disc, as we did on this one. We did the P disc. This is what the P disc looks like. Strep pneumo has a zone of inhibition, as you can see, so you know that's strep pneumo. Other alpha strep is resistant to the P disc, so it grows right up to the disc. So this is how you can confirm strep pneumo. And then after you figure out if it is strep pneumo, we do an oxacillin to see if the patient is susceptible or resistant to penicillin. So we did a half a Kirby Bauer here, as you can see, and this is the patient. This is the patient here, and this is the QC. So as you can see, the patient is extremely sensitive. So it will be okay to use penicillin for this patient.
Are we cutting?
Nope. One more. This is a D test, and I'll probably put something up that describes exactly what it is, but it has something with Clindamycin and Erythromycin. And as you can see, a negative D test shows just 2 circles of the zone of inhibition, but to induce, I don't exactly know what it was, so I have to figure it out. But anyway, as you can see, the D test, this inhibits this zone of inhibition here, so it looks like a D, and that's the D test. Okay.